I love this sweatshirt. It's good to be different. Yeah. When the coffee hits. I'm going to start off by talking a little bit about anxiety, and then I'm going to do the unboxing. I have been going on a major dopamine fast for 3 months. This is actually month 4. I have given up a lot of things and really trying to reset my mind and trying to program it better. One of the things that I stopped doing was smoking tree. I have been consistently smoking tree probably for the past 7 years. Before that, I was smoking cigarettes. I needed to give my lungs a break. So this is the first time in about 10 years that I have given my lungs a break. As of right now, it's been 3 months. I don't feel the difference. I feel like there's a lot of damage, so it's slowly healing. Side note, I'm going to make a whole separate video on this, but this is the soberest I have ever been, probably in my entire life. I'm going to go into a more detailed video. I didn't smoke. I didn't do anything weed related for 3 months. We got some syrups. It's a vegan syrup. It's called Cannabis. This is in the, I was going to say this is in the shade. Makeup, who? This is in the flavor watermelon. It comes with 2 bottles. Each bottle is 500 milligrams. It is a lot of THC, right? Your average edible is going to be 100 milligrams. I took the syrup, right? I took 150 milligrams. This was like the first time I have ever experienced something like this. In the morning, I woke up and I was fine. Got a Starbucks. I actually didn't even drink the Starbucks because my anxiety started to kick in like right after. It lasted for over an hour. Now, I have never had that before. I've had anxiety attacks to where they last maybe like 10 minutes and I'm sitting there. I have to lay down because as soon as I start feeling all the emotions come on, my breathing changing, everything like that, my vision starts to fade like this, and then I can't see. I would be fine 15 minutes later, and then it would start all over again. I have to throw up right now, and I'm like, am I tripping? No, I think I'm tripping. And then I'm like, no, I'm not tripping. I have to throw up. I had an AM PM large cup. I started throwing up in that cup. That was my first time ever throwing up while I had an anxiety attack. But I really feel like it's because my body was under so much stress and for so long, because an hour of that, you guys, is a long time to be in panic mode. I felt so much better after that. Then I took a nap, 3 hours. I woke up and I was still high. I was still high. Why would you get high if you're gonna have anxiety attacks, right? I have anxiety attacks regardless if I'm high, if I'm sober, I have anxiety attacks. I love to be high because I sleep way better. So this is where it kind of gets tricky, because when you smoke weed before bed, you are in a deep sleep, but you do not get as much REM. For basically 7 years, I haven't been giving a lot of REM. When I stopped smoking tree, I started having a lot of dreams every night, but I feel like I get more rest when I smoke tree, which is why I smoked tree in the first place. Also, I like smoking tree because it helps me with my thoughts. Sober, when I'm not on weed, I'm not an in-depth thinker. And when I smoke, I really think deep. My thoughts are clearer. Things that I just push in the back of my brain when I'm sober, they come out when I was going to say Sherman. They come out when I'm high and I'm able to really think about that situation. I'm a high stimulant person. If you say, oh, look at this, da 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 da, then I'll look at that and I won't keep remembering what I was thinking about. It's like on to the next thought, on to the next thought, on to the next thought. Versus when I'm high, it kind of slows down. The reason I have anxiety attacks is because I am not working out enough. The food I'm eating is on point. My life is stressful, but it's not to the point of stress of how I felt from 16 to 26 was probably the most stress I have ever been in my entire life. I did not have anxiety attacks when I was like that. I really started having anxiety attacks once I stopped drinking. Drinking is a depressant. It's a suppressant. Everything that was going on in here was getting pushed down with alcohol. I was not working on any of the things that I should have been working going on. I feel like the reason I have these anxiety attacks is because I had suppressed all of my emotions for so long that it's finally coming out. In order to better yourself, you have to go through the hard times. I'm not happy when I go through the anxiety attack, right? But I am happy because I know that I am making progress in my life, and 35-year-old Carissa is going to be looking at me now and being like, you freaking did that. I have the knowledge now, but it's just applying it, and that's where I'm at in life. But the thing is, it's going to take years to reset, reprogram, rewire my brain. I understand anxiety is a fight or flight thing, like it's your body response, your stress response is going off. It is part of our bodily system, but to have it under control. When I'm 80 years old, you guys, I'm not having a freaking anxiety attack and dying because my heart was beating way too fast. What took her out? Anxiety? What? Like, no. So full circle. What I've noticed when my anxiety attacks hit, if I'm not working out consistently, that's when I get anxiety attacks. If I'm working out, say 3 times a week, my anxiety attacks do not happen. They come in like small waves to where I feel anxiety, but it's not to the point where it's so extreme. I had not been working out. I got sick in February, mid-February. My body took another week on top of that to heal. So realistically, I was not in the gym for 2 weeks. When it comes to the gym, if I'm not in the gym for 2 weeks, then I'm probably not gonna go even after that. I say I want to go to the gym. I need to do this because it's like, I know I really need to go to the gym, but do I want to? No. This is where I'm trying so hard to reprogram my brain, you guys, because going to the gym is not stimulating to me. It is not fun for me. I'm not excited to go. I am not motivated whatsoever. It makes me irritated at myself because I know all the benefits of the gym, you guys. Like, it's so crazy. Even if you just go to stretch, even if you just go to walk, it is insane the amount of benefits of going to the gym to get your body in motion. I know so many facts about going to the gym, yet still here I am sitting. I have not been in the gym since freaking February. Today is April 2nd. I have not been in the gym in a month and a freaking half. Yeah, that makes sense why I had my anxiety attack. Vibe with me on this one. You have a lot of energy locked in on you, right? If you do not go to the gym, you are not getting out that energy. That energy still needs to come out. So how is it going to come out? All at once. Full blown, freaking hard anxiety attack. Let's go. And then it's like a reset. So I need to get to the gym. So this is what inspired this video. I went to a Lululemon store. I absolutely love their leggings. Me and my friend Abby, we went to a Lululemon store in Sacramento at the Art and Fair Mall. That was my first time ever in there. She turned me out, okay? She turned me out into a Lulu girl, alright? I know that there are so many dupe videos of Lululemon. I shit you nuts. The quality, the feeling, the everything about the leggings is where it's at. I got my first pair of Lululemon leggings in, oh gosh, Abby, when did you move to Sacramento? I moved 2014. I think she moved maybe like 2016, 2017. I bought my first pair. You guys, 2017. I am wearing them actually today. They are my favorite pair of leggings I have ever owned, ever. It is currently 2023. I have worn them hundreds of times, washed them hundreds of times, dried them hundreds of times, and they still look good. The color is still there. They have not faded. I've gone hiking in these. Like, these are literally my favorite clothing. These are it. Okay, these are it. This is my only thing I've ever bought from Lulu. They are worth the money. I understand that people don't want to put up the money. Freaking Afterpay it. Affirm it. And Abby, whenever we first walked out, she's like, I'd go bankrupt for them. And I was like, dude, me too. Lululemon, please sponsor me. Dude. Next. No, just kidding. I have not bought anything from Lululemon since. I did not need all these different pairs. I had one good pair. I was solid. I'm gonna wait till winter and I'll probably grab one more pair. I'm trying my hardest to be minimalistic. I went into the Lululemon in Reno. They have one. I have changed my style of how I dress from my early 20s to where I'm at now. I personally do not wear crop tops anymore, v-necks, low cut, no back, shorts, very short. I'm a little more not into showing skin. I got some goodies from Lululemon, and let me show you what I got because I am so excited and so happy that it's here. Lululemon. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. Okay. That was the last one. I actually got 2 of these. Whoa, that was crazy. The reason I ordered online was because in store, they had the inseam of 4 or 6. 4 is like shorter shorts, 6 is like medium shorts, and then the 8 was the only ones that were online. The reason I wanted to go in store was to try my size because my body has changed since the last time and I didn't know what size I was. So these are a size 8. This is the Swiftly Tech Short Sleeve 2.0. This retails for $68. This one is a longer one. This is in a size 6. I changed into my leggings. That way I could show you guys because you already know that I got the 2 pairs of shorts. Honestly, I think I like them better than the shorts. Don't get me wrong, I do like the shorts, but I feel like I should have went up a size just because of the way they are. When I wash and dried them, they shrunk a lot, which is fine, but it's like I'm like bottom heavy and so it's kind of tight. This is gonna be the Swiftly Tech Short Sleeve 2.0 Race. So the Race is gonna be shorter. Here is where I splurged. Let me break it down for you. I recently got my Michael Kors purse. There's this beautiful purse, right? It deserves every single moment. I have a total of 3 purses. All Michael Kors. One is that one. Lululemon came out with a cute satchel. The purse is cute, but there's sometimes that like I'm just in a workout outfit going to the gym. I need a place just to put my keys and my phone. Sometimes you want to carry a purse, sometimes you don't. They are restocked and I had to get 2. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. This is the Everywhere belt bag. Oh, the white one is so pretty. I'm sorry. I'm just so happy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And that's pretty much my haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Let's do some nature shots, shall we? You guys know that's my favorite. Okay, side note, one thing I do love about Reno is that you're literally surrounded by mountains. And this is my first time ever living kind of in an area surrounded by mountains. And so all over here you have the mountains. And then pretty much the north, the south, pretty much everywhere you look. But the thing is like these houses are blocking it. We have like mountains over here, mountains right here, all right here, and right here.